Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making Spike from one of my favorite game from Supercell, Brawl Stars. So Spike is a little cactus in the shape of a ball, but his skills are amazing. Well, you know it when you try it. I am saying that, but pity for me, I haven't gotten any chance to play as Spike. I was hoping a lot when I was about to open the box. Well, it just luck. Oh. Anyway, if you'd like to join me on Brawl Stars, I'll put my invitation down to the description below. My favorite character now is Jessie. The girl is the dog cannon. So join me, maybe we can make a perfect team. Okay, now let's get back to the sculpting. So as you can see, I'm making the holes for the eyes and the mouth. It would have been a bit easier if I have the ball-headed tool. Yeah, I've seen a lot of video of that tool on YouTube, but it's quite expensive. 5 times more expensive than the one I was using, the wooden one. So now I am using the orange clay to make him the pants. This is the second pants I've made for him, but I am not so happy with it. Well, if you just look at it, it's kind of cool because you can see the basic shape of the pants, but yeah, you see when the clay they are touching each other is they're not completely in one shape. Yeah, I don't really like that. Well, but anyway, so the purple clay I'm using to make him a coat. Well, how do you call it? Coat or jacket? Because I haven't seen anything like that in real life. Well, speaking of the clay I'm using, so I'm using the air dry paper based clay, so it's much softer and easier to work with than polymer clay. It can also be in very thin shape without breaking, as you can see the coat, but it dries way too fast, so I won't wait until it's completely dry, but I will glue it during the sculpting because it's gonna be super hard to bend it. Yeah, look at the coat, is not like perfect, but I love it. It looks natural to me, so no problem. Yeah, so we have the excess clay. That's okay because it's not dried yet, so I'm just gonna cut it. Yeah, this clay is kinda easy to handle. Oh, and when it dried out completely, it's very like you are just, yeah, like you are having some paper in your hand and you can just throw it, it will bounce back a bit. So now I am gluing the hands together too, because it's not like glued on each other. I don't know, when you put 2 pieces of clay, well, they're not stink. Forget it. Gosh, so bad. So the dark green clay I'm using to make the eyes and the mouth. Yeah, it looks like Spike for me already. Except he's a bit cuter in the game. So I wanted him to be cuter, so I gave him 2 eyebrows. But it didn't change that much. Well, we are still missing the flower on the head, so I'm shaping it. So we're gonna put it up there. the yellow thing. Still don't know how do people call that yellow thing in the center of the flower. Anyway, I'll search for it later. I'm gonna glue everything together. From the experience I've got with Fanby in the previous video, now I'm making him so he can stand, unlike Fanby. So I am making some more of that stuff for the flower, because from my point of view it was missing a bit of thickness, the flower. So I think now it's look better. I'm adding some stripes. So he looks. What do you think? Stunning to you? He's stunning to me. Cute little thing. Well, I enjoy making this guy so much. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please hit this like button. And if you would like to see more video from me in the future, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.